How to maintain 15-head embroidery machine. Grease, gear lubricating oil, sewing machine white oil, hex key set, oil dropper bottle, and crosshead screwdriver. First, remove the bobbin case. Once you hear a clicking sound, take out the white oil spray bottle and spray white oil twice into the hole. After spraying, reinstall the bobbin case. Take out the 2.5 mm hex key and crosshead screwdriver. Use the tools to remove this cover. After prolonged use, lint may accumulate here. Use a brush or other tools to clean out the lint inside. Then use the control system to open the blade. After opening, clean out the lint inside. You can use a brush or an air pump to clean it thoroughly. Once cleaned, use the control system to close the blade. Reinstall the cover and tighten the 3 screws. Next, take out the prepared oil dropper bottle and apply 2 to 3 drops of white oil to each upper spring of the embroidery machine. Repeat this for all 15 holes. After lubricating the upper springs, proceed to the lower springs. Apply 2 to 3 drops of oil into each hole. Then add 1 to 2 drops to the felt pad at the back to moisten it. Apply 2 to 3 drops into this hole. There are 2 holes here. Add 2 to 3 drops of white oil into each. Then apply 2 to 3 drops here. And here as well. Also, add 4 to 5 drops into this hole. And 4 to 5 drops into this hole as well. Next, use the crosshead screwdriver to remove this part. And this one as well. Apply a small amount of grease here with a brush. And a little gear lubricating oil onto this gear. A small amount is sufficient. It will move into position during color changes. Also, apply a little gear lubricating oil onto this color changing bar. If the other side is hard to reach, initiate a color change to move it into position for lubrication. After lubrication, reinstall the cover. Now the maintenance is complete.